So now let's see how we can work around with smoke distortion and twirl effect. So over here you can see that I have this particular clip, and if I were to go around under distort right here, then what happens is that you can see the smoke distortion effect right here. If I were to go around and click and drag it over here on my particular clip, then you can see that you can change around the distortion right here just like this, and change around the diffusion level over here, and change around the diffusion strength, and change around the rotation as well. You can also go around and change around the distort to single axis, and change around the wind speed and the noise speed for animation level right here, and change around the noise and then the type of noise right here. You can also transform it further right here, change around the axis scale as you can see, and change around the subsettings right here just like this. So as I play around right now, you can see that this is the smoke and distortion. This is the smoke distortion effect right here. Let me just go around and delete the smoke distortion effect right here, and the other effect that you have right here is twirl. So if I were to go around and apply the twirl right here, then you simply see that this is a twirl effect right here. You can go around and click and drag around the twirl. As you can see right here, you can expand and then make the twirl smaller over here as well. So you can go around and change around the angle as you can see just like this, and then change around the radius of the twirl as well. So over here you can see that you can go around and dial it right here. So if you're working around with the twirl right here, so you can go around, change around the angle right here, dial it or reflect it out right here. So this is what you have, as you can see, as I go around and then work around with this, as you can see. So that is how you can work around with the twirl effect. And then if I were to go around the angle, you can also make it really twirly, as you can see right here, by adding the number of twirls right here just like this. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.